up Mount Bierstadt this morning, getting started around 8 o'clock. We have a nice sign, plus at the beginning of the trail you can see the mountain and Sawtooth, which is the path to Mount Evans. So getting ready to get started. We're excited to see what we're in for. This is our first 14er, so we've been in Colorado for a few days and we're ready to get started. You can see the cars in the distance, but we're definitely over a mile in. We have passed the planks. We're now headed up. We've had a few switchbacks. This is about what the trail looks like pretty consistently now for about 10 or 15 minutes. We can still see the mountain and just the peak of Sawtooth, but we're about to lose it to this hill. A lot of climbing ahead, but we're still excited. Just stopped here for a snack. It's nice to take a break and enjoy the view. Stopped here. We're gonna wait out a storm. It's starting to hail a little, not unexpected for a storm in Colorado, but still a surprise because it happened pretty quick. We've had 2 rumbles of thunder. We don't want to go up any higher until we know that it's safe and that the storm has passed. So we're just gonna sit here and wait a few minutes and see what happens. Hail and sunshine. Make it. We've decided that this is going to be as far as we go. We just went through a hailstorm. Luckily it passed, the sun came back out, which really makes us want to climb more, but there's thunderstorms in about every direction you look. So we are gonna head back to the car. I think, I'm gonna check, but I think we're about 13,000 feet right now. So we've made it pretty close. From here, it's hard because you can see the mountain and Sawtooth Ridge. I really wanted to make it this far so that we could see exactly how people are getting to the top. Here you can see the final switchbacks and the ridge right before the summit. So unfortunately we're not going to make it today, but we're making the good call to turn back. The sun came out. We have such a good view of Sawtooth Ridge, but there's so many good views. Just made it back to the trailhead, thank goodness. That was a tough one, but I have to say the views were pretty amazing. Hard to believe that we were up there just about an hour ago. We had to stop because of storms, but I'm happy that we did. It would have been hard to push through since we had a couple more roll in. It is disappointing that we didn't make it to the top, but there's always next time.